also known as contestant number 1. He is cosplaying Kaito from Gogolai. Let's give it up for Christian Kilala.
Our second contestant, here is a Night Sword from Elseworld. Here is Gabriel Villegas.
Next up, we have our third cosplayer from the series Naruto. We have at cosplaying Anbu, we have Joanna Borrell.
From one Anbu, we call it an upgrade. Here is an Anbu Elite, also from Naruto. Number 4, here is Rusty Bonko.
Next up, contestant number 5 is from the pages of Marvel Comics. From the spectacular Spider-Man cosplaying Spider-Man, let's give it up for Pete Mendoza.
From the comic books to the Metal Heroes, our 6th cosplayer, cosplaying as Kamen Rider Decade, the ultimate form. From the series Kamen Rider Decade, here is Jason Tabuso.
Our next 2 cosplayers are from Kamen Rider Ryuki. First, we have cosplaying Kamen Rider Ryuga. We have Michael Albano and
here is number 8. Here is Dennis Martinez as Kamen Rider Wing Night Survival.
Cosplaying Len Kagamine. Let's give it up for Son de los Rosario.
Our 10th cosplayer, cosplaying as Eternal Sailor Venus from Sailor Moon, here is Alfie Salaber.
Next up, contestant number 11 from the series Kuroko no Basket. Let's give it up for cosplaying Kuroko Tetsuya. Let's give it up for Theo Pineda.
Our 12th cosplayer, here is Isaiah Luke Wells, cosplaying as Galaxy Rumble from League of Legends.
Cosplaying from the series Bleach, we have Uryu Ishida. Let's give it up for contestant number 13, Emmanuel Bunying.
Our 14th cosplayer, also from League of Legends, here is Luis Betita as Garen.
I will not hold you! Demacia!
Next up, contestant number 15 is from the series RWBY, cosplaying Ruby Red. Here is Joyrel Vargas.
Our next cosplayer, from High School of the Dead, here is Kathleen Alexis De La Flor, number 16, as Saya Takagi.
Next up, we have cosplayer number 17 from the series Vampire Knight. We have cosplaying Kuran Kaname, Joel Balalo.
This one is from League of Legends, cosplaying as Red Card Katarina. Here is number 18, Nico Lustado.
Next up, our 19th cosplayer is from the anime Black Rock Shooter, cosplaying XBXS STR. We have John Patrick Babagos.
Also from Black Rock Shooter, we have number 20. Here is the Flame Sword, Lawrence Rosales.
And now,